What's up everybody? My name is Brianna Rudder, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do braidless crochet braids. So that means we are not going to be cornrow braiding our hair or box braiding our hair to add these crocheted curls. So I'm just doing a really quick spin around to show you how full and beautiful this hair looks. And guess what? I only used 2 packages of crochet braiding hair, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. So this is the braiding hair I used from X-Pressions, and I wanted to make sure it was crochet friendly and it was in the color number 1. Now here's some other products that I use as well, such as a hair brush, such as a hair comb, and of course a few things to help me to style up the hair, such as hair jewelry and edge control. So I use the Edge Booster Edge Control, and I only applied a little bit, and then a crochet hook as well as some bobby pins. So as you can see here, this is how my hair looks, all natural. Now, of course, I'm not all natural, but I have some natural roots, so that's gonna make this style look extremely realistic. So now I'm just using a paddle brush or wig brush, and I'm brushing out my hair. Now my hair is extremely thick, so I normally have to brush around the perimeter, then I gotta brush in sections. And then by the time I'm done, I am super tired and just ready to be over it. And then of course I need a little scratchy in because it feels good. So now what I'm gonna do is take my rat tail comb, and I'm going to part a nice side part. Now I like to do my side parts with a slight curve so that it looks more natural instead of it going straight. I don't like straight side parts, I like curved side parts. So now I'm just using the brush, and I'm brushing my hair down once again so that way I can smooth it into a ponytail. So now I'm just gonna twist the ends of my hair in 2 sections, and then I'm gonna get a bobby pin and simply pin it down. And this will serve as the base for our crochet hairstyle. So as you can see here, this is how it looks. So now we're gonna start off with our crochet braiding hair. And this is a little bit up close look so that you can see how the curls look once I take it out the package. As you can see, it's so bouncy, and I absolutely love how soft and wild this hair is. You can make it as frizzy and as big as you want, or you can keep it tame by just lightly separating it. Now I'm just curling it in my hand so it's easy for me to hook it on my crochet hook. So I hook it, then I close the latch and pull it through. Once I pull it through, I like to grab 1 curl only, or 2. So in this instance, I grab 1 curl and then I pull it through so I can create that knot. Now in some areas of your head where you will need more security or a flatter feel, you want to only pull 1 ringlet through. So I'm gonna show you once again how that looks. So I pull it through, open with my hand, and I only grab 1 ringlet and then I pull it tight. Now this knotting technique is actually called the invisible roots method, because when you normally do this exact knotting technique near your part, it makes your part look very realistic because you don't actually see knots. Now I did this invisible knotting technique throughout my entire head so that I wouldn't feel too much bulk on my scalp. So now this is how it looks so far, and we still got a little bit more to go, but check out how full this hair looks. This is not even 1 package yet. Ladies, I am literally still working with the very first package of hair. So when you get close to your roots, you want to go through as much of your real hair as possible, because if you only pick up a little bit of your hair, it's going to make the actual ringlet slip out. And this is how it looks with the invisible root knotting technique. Check this out, ladies. This is just 1 pack of hair. You will not believe it, but seeing is believing. So now at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 2nd package, and then I'm going to start doing it to the top of my head. When you're at the top, go through as much of your real hair as possible with your crochet hook. So that way, when you secure your ringlet, it's very secure to your head. Don't pick up just a little bit of your real hair. You want to go all the way through, very close to your part, and you want to do the invisible knotting technique as you see here. So that way, it makes your hairline or your parting look extremely natural. Now I'm grabbing some hair jewelry, which I like to call hair candy, and then I'm going to put a few pieces throughout my hair to stylize this style. This is how my hairstyle looks after adding a little bit of hair candy, aka hair jewelry. So if you're loving this look, let me know in the comments. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of edge control, and I'm going to put a little bit on my edge brush. So I'm not going to super style up my edges because this style is very natural and I wanted to keep it that way. But I'm just gonna add a little bit of edge control to tame the very beginning parts of my hairline. What I really like about this edge control is that it's actually water-based. So if you sweat a little bit or there's a lot of humidity in the hair, it kind of helps to reactivate it. I took one of the hair jewelry pieces and I wanted to imagine how I would look with a nose ring. Do you ladies think that this is a good look for me? Comment below, yes or no. And this is the completed look to the no cornrow crochet braids or braidless crochet. So if y'all want more styles like this that you can literally do in 10 minutes, just let me know down in the comments. And I can't wait to see y'all next time. Bye bye.